bad if we walked there. You know what? They said 30 minutes down the hill. It's not that bad.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah. You know what they're probably all saying? What a prima donna. Look at them taking taxi. Right here at the Snow Monkey Park. This is the Inza Cafe right here. They have the gift shop right here. And they have a little cafe where you can get warm food. Here's people. They're all climbing up to the monkey park. There's April again. And then the monkey park is right up here. Out here, so I'll buy Shibu Onsen.
No, I'm with you. Broken wrist is
Exactly. Over here, this is the entrance to it. What we have to do is show our little day pass we got. You can purchase them over there and knock on the station. It's a little day pass. You get unlimited use of the trains. And you also... Oh, that's the gift shop. I guess she's happy about it. There it is. That's the entrance to the Snow Monkey Park right here. And there's a gift shop. That's a guy slipping right there. Guess it's pretty icy right here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get some snowshoes they're putting on. So to get here, looks like it's kind of a steep climb to get right up here. Down here you can see, you can hear a rushing river right here. Then it just goes straight down, just a straight cliff down. It's all surrounded by snow. It's not that cold right now. I mean we've been on trains lately which are scorching hot. So pretty much our core body temperature is up to maximum without getting sick. There's the path that takes us all the ways to the monkey park, Snow Monkey Park, and there goes April right there. Bye, April. Well, we got to the top right before getting to the actual Snow Monkey Park, and wow, this place has kind of turned into a little winter wonderland here. There's all the people going up there to the Snow Monkey Park. Sit right up there. There's the path they gotta take. Go up these stairs right here and cut right up to the top. We're gonna go check this out. There's a geyser going off right here, man. This thing seriously just bellowing, spewing. Yep. Look at this thing. That's one angry looking geyser right there. Look at this bad boy. Wow. And the monkeys. Look at them go monkeys. No monkeys with the guy. So it looks like we made it to the Snow Monkey Park right here. There it is, right there. So this looks like this is the entrance. We go up here. It looks like finally it's where we pay, because we've been asking, where do they ask us to pay? So it looks like right up there is where we pay at, but right next door, that's another special break in there, and that's where the guys are with the monkeys just sitting out there, just in the open, surrounded by snow and monkeys, naked, just sitting inside the onsen water. But you can see right down here, there's another little onsen pool right there, a little public bath. So I guess they go down these little makeshift stairs right here and go sit in the water if they want. I think April's gonna get her sticker and get her pass to get in here. Let's see. There it goes. Did you get your little monkey sticker? So here's part of the monkey park right here. Down below, people are by the river, and over here there's a bunch of monkeys. We'll go get closer. There's just monkeys all over in the rocks. And then the famous area is over here. April, this place is amazing, isn't it? I mean, jeez. The monkeys everywhere, and they're like little humans. The monkey's picking at the butt of the other monkey. Getting something. You can see, well, on the lens too, it's starting to snow right here. If you're looking out here, it's starting to snow now. Unbelievable. We got caught in the snow, that's for sure. Wasn't supposed to happen. But man, it's definitely starting to come down now pretty good. But I guess that's why they call this snow monkey park. Okay, April just sitting there with the monkey, only about 3 feet from her in the snow. What you doing, buddy? Now we're at the world famous, actually, snow monkey park pools. Right here. Finally made it. This is where everybody goes to. Everything you've seen on National Geographic and everything else. That's a monkey, and that's a monkey. What? This is what I've been watching all the time before we came here. I was looking at the live monkey, snow monkey live cam. There it is, right here. And there it is. When you look across, there's a picture right there. So you say it's coming down now? It's starting to really snow now. Yeah, see, there's our monkeys right here. They all jumped into the water. Oh, right here. I know, look at it. Everything's starting to. Look at my. There. These guys, we'll be back tomorrow, that's for sure. And check it out. We gotta start heading back because, wow, it's really starting to come down. Good. You see them a little covered in snow. We got a little bit of a.
Yes.
Oh, that's what you got there? What you got there?
Down with the shrimp.
She goes there. Hey, bro, look, monkey bits. Hey, what's that? Those little. They're monkey bits. These are monkey bits. She left.